If you are like me in remote learning, you've learned that you've been sending a lot of the same emails to different students or to different parents. And so what I'm going to teach you how to do is how to create a generic email that you can reuse over and over again. It's called templates. So if you go to your Gmail, first thing you need to do is turn it on. So you come over to the settings and click on See All Settings. And you need to come over to the right to where it says Advanced and find the one that says Templates and turn on Enable. Click Save Changes. Now it reopens your Gmail with that new saved feature. And now I'm going to create a new email. This new email, you need to remain this, the to empty, but in the subject, call it what you want to call it. I'm going to call it attendance because this is about attendance. And I am going to enter in my generic letter that says, I notice you were not in attendance today during class, and for them to contact me. So once I've got the template ready, I like the way it looks. All I'm going to do is come over to More Options down here, find Templates, and I am going to come over here. You can see I've already saved one before. I'm going to save the draft as a template, and I want it to save as a new template. I'm going to call this Attendance 1 and click Save. Okay, so I can X this out. And now I'm ready for my first attendance email that I need to send to a student. So I click Compose, and let's say I'm going to send it to myself. And I don't need to put anything else in here. All I need to do is go to More Options, Templates, Attendance 1. There it goes. I have my template ready to go, and I can just click Send. So this will be a lot easier for you. Thanks for listening.